What up, Jay? Still got to put that little grill in, but you all smoothed in, cuz, and just flagged up on a tow truck. Tell them to stop perpetrating the fraud like they thought they really had some sweet shit. Bitch, we got tow trucks with checker flags, fucking flip-flop paint, bro. Come on, dude. You know what I'm saying? We got tow trucks with motherfucking checker flags and flip-flop paint, ho. About to put them US DOT numbers, address right there, and when the sun hits this bitch, you can watch it change colors. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it out here, dude. It's real serious out here. You see how it's laying out here, just flames and airbrushing and all that shit, bro. That's how we get down out here.